Hello, look what I've got here. It's the new Nokia 7 Plus. The guys over at HMD just sent it to me. Just want to do a quick unboxing of this. After that, I'm going to try it out for about a week and let's see where we get with it. Post that, I'll do a complete review. Just going to open this up right now. Well, they haven't made it easy. There we go. Right out of the box, there it is. The box looks really similar to the box that I have for the Nokia 8 Sirocco. If you remember that, um, it is a bit bigger somehow. The Sirocco box is bigger than the 7 Plus box. I would have thought the 7 Plus is larger. I'm looking at it and it probably is. Let's check this out. Ooh, nice finish. Just off the cuff, size wise, that's Nokia 8 Sirocco. That's the 7 Plus. It's definitely bigger. It's also a bit weightier. Not as slim, but still pretty slim. Anyway, I don't want to do a comparison. Let's just get into this right now. Not bad. I like it. Switch it on. I was on Android 1, just like the Sirocco 8. So in the box, we've got here is the we've got another silicone cover on this. Yeah, not a big fan of these. What else have we got here? We've got your charging port, charging cable. Also, this is USB-C. Yep, it is. That's USB-C. There it is. That's your USB-C port. Whenever you want to focus. There we go. There's a USB-C port. There's your headphone. Also, it's got a headphone jack. Unlike the 8, yeah, it's right there. Got a headphone jack. So that's good. That's pretty much all there is to it in the box, at least. Let's take a quick look at the specs. Let's sort that in. I'll fix you up later. Oh, not a fan of these covers. Oops, sorry. There we go. It's your box. So at the back we've got, let me read these out, got Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. It's running Android Oreo. It's got 18:9 Full HD display, 12 MP and 13 MP dual rear camera, 16 MP front camera, very similar to the camera that's on the 8 Sirocco. Dual sight mode, which is that bothy thing. Just a quick comparison to the Sirocco 8 there. So we've got Qualcomm 660 mobile. What we've got here, 835 mobile platform. So that's actually a bit slower. I wasn't too impressed with the Nokia 8 Sirocco processor. This is even slower. 6-inch display. It's a 5.5-inch display. That's OLED. This is Full HD plus. The camera's pretty much the same. Features ice optics. So anyway, that's your new Nokia 7 Plus. I'm gonna do up a full review. Just look at the body though. You take it off that silicone. It's actually quite nice. This finish at the back is quite sleek. I like it. Camera has got a fingerprint sensor right here. Big flash happening there. I don't know if you can focus or see that. The Zeiss optics. Pretty big display. I haven't set it up yet, just switched it on. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the product right there. What I'm going to do after I've played around with it a bit, I'm going to do a full complete review and get back to you on that, and I'll write it up on my blog as well. So watch out for that. Thank you very much.